Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. Got another word study session for you today, and today's root morpheme is a free morpheme. That means that it can be a word in its own right, it doesn't have to be attached to any prefixes or suffixes. It's a verb today, and it is this one, possess. Okay, so we are going to build lots of words that can become around the root possess. And this is from the Latin possidere, which meant to have or to be in control of. So all our words today are going to be related to that verb to possess. So here's just a reminder of how the morpheme grid works. You've got your prefixes this side, your root morpheme in the middle, possess, and then various suffixes which can be added onto the end, and you always work across. Remember, you don't have to start here, you can start here, okay? And you can also end without having any suffixes. It's just about how many different words you can build from the different combinations. So I will hold this up to the screen for you, and you can have some time to write down your word sums, how many words you can build. Okay, how did you do? So I've written some, as you know. I always write some word sums down ready to share with you, but never all of them. So hopefully you've got some different ones at home. And remember, it's all about thinking about the meanings of those prefixes and suffixes and how they alter the meaning of the word. So we know that possess is to have or be in control of, so to have. So dispossess, even if you hear the word dispossess and you're not sure what it means, you can work out, if you know, because you know dis means to not, or the opposite of. So possess, so dispossess would be to not have hold of, to not have. So you can use your knowledge of the prefixes and suffixes to work out the meanings of words. So these are just some of the examples of words that I got. So we've got possess plus the ed, past tense, possessed, so you had it in the past. The possess plus the s, and you can see I've put my little box here because for this plural we need to add the es, because our root word ends with a double S. Okay, so that's the same with things like glasses. You have the ES on the end, which you can see I've put here in brackets on my word grid, because normally the plural S would just be an S on its own. But because of that root word ending in the double S, we have to put that extra E in. Okay, that's one of our spelling rules. So we've got possess plus the ION. So that makes it the noun, a possession. Again, that shun, lots of people think that shun is the suffix. It's actually not, it's the ION is the suffix, and it's depending whether it's an S or a T, depends on what the root word is. So possession, and we've got the double S, ION makes that shun sound here, but it's the ION that's the suffix. Dispossess, to not have, and we've got possessively. So we've got possessive as the adjective, and then possessively with the ly makes the adverb. Okay, so there's lots of different words that I've managed to make. Hopefully you managed to make lots too. Again, quite simple, that grid. Quite a simple one just with that verb, not lots of different combinations, but it's about getting those double S's. I know that's a word that sometimes people do have trouble spelling. So that's it for today, and I'll be back tomorrow with another root word. See you tomorrow. Bye.